How to add users in Bitrix24. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see 5 options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the bottom right corner where it says menu. After tapping on it, you'll see many options pop up on your screen, but simply tap on the option called invite, which is right below check-in. After tapping on invite, you'll see 2 options on your screen: invite via link or invite through QR code. So if the person is sitting anywhere close to you, you can simply tap on invite through QR code and let them scan this image. But if you want to send the invitation link, simply tap on invite link and send it to them using your preferred social media platform. So it is that easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.